6th standard students, let us start from page number 23. Using brackets, already we have done this in online class, but once I am repeating, those who are not joining, I am telling you beta, please join online class. Seema bought 6 notebooks from the market and the cost of ₹10 per notebook. Her sister Meera also bought 7 notebooks of the same type. Find the total money they paid. Seema calculated in this way and Meera calculated in this way. Seema, what she has done, 6 notebooks in first time, so 10 into 6, 60, and second time 7 notebooks she purchased, so 7 into 10, 70. Total money is 130 rupees. And Meera, what she has done, she is purchased total number of notebooks. So what she purchased, so 6 and 7, 13, and multiply the cost of one notebook is 10, so 13 notebooks cost will be 130 rupees. And both the methods are different, but answer is same. So now in the other way, if anybody is doing in this way, 7 plus 6 into 10, and what here we are not putting anywhere brackets. So what 6 tens are, according to the Bodmas rule, first bracket open, but bracket is not there. So division is not here. So multiplication, 10 6 are 60 and plus 67. So is it correct answer? No, it is the wrong answer. If instead of this, if we will put bracket here in this way, so it will be very easy. So easily we can understand. First we have to solve the bracket and then multiply the whatever value we are getting. After solving the bracket, we have to multiply in 10. So in this way we are getting 130 answer. So bracket, why bracket is necessary? Why bracket is necessary? Because when anything value we are keeping in the bracket, so easily we can understand. First we have to solve the bracket. First turn everything inside the brackets into a single number and then do the operation outside, which in this case is to multiply by 10. That's why the bracket is important. Clear? Now try this. These all are you will do yourself and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. After that, expanding brackets. Expanding brackets, that means in the expanded form how you can write. So 7 into 109, that means 7. In the bracket we can write 100 plus 9, 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. So it will be very easy. 7 into 100 and middle sign is plus 7 into 9. So in this way we can expand the bracket. 763. Easily we can solve. In this way 102 we can write 100 plus 2, 100 plus 3. So 100 plus 2 into 100 and 100 plus 2 into 3. Then again what we can do, 100 into 100, middle sign is here we will keep, and 2 into 100, then plus 100 into 3 you can see here. So 100 into 3 plus 2 into 3, and we can solve easily. If you have any query in this, you can ask me. Now Roman numerals. We have seen using the Hindu-Arabic numerals system so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is not the only system available. One of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. For example, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. It is also used for classes in the school timetable. You see every time. We write here 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Find 3 other examples where Roman numerals are used. So you will send me on my personal WhatsApp number 3 examples. Now you can see Roman numerals. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Double I, that means second. Denote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 respectively. This is followed by XI 11, XII 12, and then you can write till 20. So I will send you, one student has sent me in very good manner, neat and tidy, 1 to 10, 11 to. I will send you, you have to copy till 100. And for D 500 and for M 1000. So till 100 I will send you table. So you will write in your CW notebook till 100. 1 to till 100 numbers in Roman numerals. Okay. The rules for the system are: first, learn the rule. If symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. See here, double I, that means 2. 10, 10, so 10 plus 10, 20. 10, 10, 10, 10 3s are 30, or 10 plus 10 plus 10. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. We can't repeat this 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. But other than we can repeat 3 times. You can see here triple X, triple I, 3. In this, if symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value get added to the value of greater symbol. See here, if V, here you can see V, and right hand side I is there, that means 5 plus 1, 6. 10, 1 and 2, so 10 plus 2, 12. L x V, the meaning of L is 50, then 10, then 5. So 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the just left side. Here 5 plus 1. So here 5 minus 1, 4. 10 minus 1, 9. 50 minus 10, 40. 100 minus 10, 90. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. We never write these symbols to the left of a symbol of greater value. Keep this thing in your mind, and we never repeat this 3 times. Clear? The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. It's very important. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and M and C only. These are very important. These rules from here, the rules for the system are. So you have to write these rules in your CW notebook. Following these rules, we get, after that, first Roman numerals. I will send you what you have to write in your CW notebook. Then 1 to 100 Roman numerals you will write in Roman numerals. 70 plus 3. 70 you can see here, and then triple I. 92, 90 plus 2. So 90 and 2. Write in Roman numerals the missing numbers in the table. Missing numbers we have to write. So 1 to 100 we are going to write here. We can write this? No. More than 3 times we can't write. And we can write this left hand side. See here, the symbol VLD are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value, and VLD are never subtracted. So it is also wrong. Now C. So the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. Here we are subtracting from C. So it is also not possible. And we can write XVV? No, because 10, 5, 5. So double X we can write in place of this. So according to the rule, we can't do this. Clear? Rules you have to write. Now next is write in Roman numerals. 60 plus 9. But you know 9 how we write, and 60. 60 for 50, 69. 69. 98. So we know that 90. XC 90 and 8 we know V triple I. So we can write. What we have discussed, you will read yourself. In short, I am explaining. Given two numbers, one with more digit, compare the number. How we compare the number, you know very easy. Informing numbers from given digit, we should be careful to see if the conditions under which the numbers are to be formed are satisfied. Thus to form the greater 4-digit numbers 7835 without repeating a single. So first we will write greater number, and for forming smaller number, smallest number we will take. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and greatest 3-digit number 999. In same way we can form greatest 4-digit number. If we will add 1 here, so we will get 5-digit smallest number. Use of commas help in reading and writing large number. Very important. If we will put comma, easily we can read and write the numbers. Large numbers are needed in many places in daily life. For example, for giving number of students in a school. So that's why we use large number and estimation. And it is very important. This 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and in 1 meter equal to, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. There are number of situations in which we do not need the exact quantity. We rounded off the numbers. Estimation involves approximating a quantity to an accuracy required. Approximately, not exact number we show in the estimation. In number of situations, we have to estimate the outcome of number operations. This is done by rounding of the numbers. We know that how we rounded off the number. Estimating the outcome of number operations is useful in checking answers. Easily, answers come between which number we can know by doing this method. That means estimation. Use of brackets allow us to avoid confusion. Because when we are putting bracket, easily we can know which step we have to solve first. We use the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. Another system of writing numerals is the Roman system. Clear? So here chapter is finished, and next we will start next chapter, that is chapter 2, whole numbers, I think.